This is Korean Akkumsun, 3-minute science for elementary school. Have you ever watched a volcano erupt before? Mount Kiawala in Hawaii, Gunung Bromo in Indonesia, and Mount Baekdu in Korea. Today, let's learn what kind of material comes out of volcano.
Activity 1. Experiment volcano eruption. For this experiment, we need marshmallow, aluminum foil, aluminum plate, food coloring powder, trivet, alcohol lamp, lighter, gloves, scissors, and safety glasses. Now, let's make the volcano model. First, pour apart the marshmallows and place them on the foil in the shape of the mountain. And now, sprinkle the red food coloring powder to indicate the color of the lava. Wrap the marshmallows in foil to make a mountain shape. And cut the tip of the foil mountain top so that melted marshmallows flows out. But there is a note. When you use the scissors, you should be very careful. Place the mountain-shaped foil on an aluminum plate and light the alcohol lamp. And one more note, hot marshmallows can pop out while heating. Do not observe too closely. And don't forget to wear the safety glasses. Wow! When the marshmallow becomes hot, the molten marshmallow flows out with the smoke. Activity 2. Comparing the volcano experiment with the real volcano eruption. The marshmallow is like a rock. The molten marshmallow is like lava flowing from a real volcano. The smoke is like a volcano smoke and ash. The hardened marshmallow is like a volcanic rock. Let's summarize the process of the volcano forming. Magma in the ground becomes lava on the ground. When this lava cools, it becomes a volcanic rock. This time, we learned about eruption of volcano. Thank you.
Akkumsun